Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 359, problem 2. In this problem, we are given the formula for a line, and we are asked for the slope, and only the slope. Not intercept information, nothing else, only the slope. So I'm going to do this in two ways. And they both work, but one of them is the more prescribed way, and if you're not sure what to do on the test, use the more prescribed way. Because it's what your algebra teacher would want you to do. And if it feels more familiar to you and you feel more confident doing it the first way, then do it that way. I want to show you the second way, though, so that you understand the problem better. And if you are absolutely sure on the test, doing a similar problem, that you understand my explanation, then you could do it the second way, and it would speed things up for you, a second or two. Those seconds do add up. So advantages to this lesson today are you might be able to do the problem faster, and certainly after seeing this you will understand the problem better, which is also helpful. So here we go. This is the formula for the line twice, and I'm going to show you two different things to do with it. The first thing is to get the slope by itself, you want to convert this to slope-intercept form, which means you want the y by itself, and then you want some multiple of x, and then you want something added to it or subtracted to it on the side. So the 12 comes over here all by itself. Okay, this 2x becomes a minus 2x here. Okay, sorry, that should still be a minus 6. Then to get the y by itself, you move the minus 6 down here. Okay, so now you have the y by itself, and you want to simplify this here. You could simplify it very directly. I'm going to do it in two parts, though, because it will help explain the problem a little bit better. So it becomes minus 2x over minus 6 and plus 12 over minus 6. This simplifies to minus 2. Okay, and this simplifies. You see this? Minus and minus go away. 2 and 6 becomes 1 over 3. Okay, so you don't want to plug anything in with a problem that looks this way. Plugging these things in would be a lot of work compared to simply moving the line formula around so that it shows you the slope and the intercept. So there's your slope, there's your intercept, and you'll notice the intercept information in this problem isn't useful for anything. This brings me to my next point. If you are a daring person, you might see this and say, well, this is going to affect my slope. This is going to affect my slope. This is not going to affect my slope. It's only going to serve as a distraction and to give me more to formulate and calculate when I should be focusing on the slope. So another way to do this is to change this to a 0. Really? Yes. It's irrelevant, so change it to a 0. Okay. From there, you can move this 2x over here, like before. Okay. You have the minus 6, like before. Okay. There we go. Y is now by itself, and it's a little bit simpler than before. You notice that. So the minus can go away. It's just crazy looking. Well, okay. And the 2 over 6 still converts to 1 over 3. So for the slope, you get the same answer. You're just ignoring the intercept information, which is not what you're solving for, and it doesn't matter. So again, if you are sure you know what you're doing here with a similar problem on the test, you can simply remove the intercept information and focus completely on the slope information, which is all they've asked you for. If you're not confident doing that, then don't do it. Don't tell anybody I pushed you to do it. Okay? It's something I wanted to show you whether you're going to do it or not so that you understand the problem better. Okay? Don't plug in anything. If they've given you the formula and you just need to move the pieces around to identify one of the pieces. Okay?